This is the Vivo X300, a flagship phone that focuses on performance, design, and especially on camera. On paper, it looks solid, but real-world experience matters the most. And in this video, we will see if this phone is really worth calling a flagship or not. I'm your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. The Vivo X300 comes with same design language as Vivo X300 Pro. It has a glass back which looks minimal yet premium. The camera bump is smooth, blends perfectly with the back panel instead of sticking out too much. The aluminum frame is not too sharp or slippery, so you can use the phone single-handedly. Overall, the design feels well balanced and very visually pleasing. The Vivo X300 features a 6.3-inch 120Hz display that delivers good binge-watching experience. The colors are punchy and vibrant, but in case you want brighter color, then you can tweak the display accordingly. It is bright enough to use indoors and outdoors, and the fingerprint sensor is snappy, but being a flagship level phone, it could be a bit faster. Binge-watching experience se yaad aaya, the speakers are loud, so you can enjoy your content without any external speaker. The haptics and display response is up to the mark, what you expect from a flagship phone. Moving on, let's talk about the performance. This phone features a Dimensity 9500 processor paired with high-speed LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 storage type. The X300 gives you a reliable and strong performance. So daily tasks feel smooth and fast whether you are using multiple apps, watching high-quality video or playing heavy games. The phone handles everything easily without a lag. But while playing BGMI for almost 3 hours continuously, the phone shows some minute lagging and heating, but as you take a rest for a few minutes, it is all set to play another round. The updated Origin OS 6 feels modern and responsive, so even if I launch multiple apps at the same time, the phone stays fast. But to test it even more, we ran some tests on this and the results are on your screen. In AnTuTu benchmark, it scored 30 lakh, which is good. Even after running benchmark, we tried switching apps and that didn't suffer either. While using camera outdoors for long hours, the phone does not show heating issues, which is good because this is what we expect from a flagship phone. The Vivo X300 comes with triple rear camera setup of 200MP primary lens, 50MP ultra wide and 50MP telephoto lens. And on the front side, you get 50MP selfie shooter. All the camera performs really well under different lighting conditions and we got good results during our time with this phone, be it portrait, wide or ultra wide. The portrait pictures really stand out. You get option for up to 100mm zoom. The edge detection and color contrast is nicely balanced even in low light portrait. But yes, if you don't like the soft modified skin tone, then you can turn off beautification. There are portrait effects that you can use to customize the output. While using the camera outdoors, I use the snapshot feature that is actually very useful for street photography. However, the showstopper is this 100x zoom, which can give you CCTV-like photos but not detailed result. Video quality on this phone is actually impressive. The footage is very stable and from the main lens you can shoot up to 4K 120fps. Colors in the videos looks accurate and natural most of the time, and the phone's processing makes the video look brighter and sharper. But if you switch to ultra stabilization, then it switches to 2.8K 60fps and the result is mainly same, so there is no urgent need of using that. The front camera can click crisp, detailed pictures with natural skin tone in most conditions. Same goes with selfie portraits as well, and on a personal note, I enjoyed using the camera while my testing. The Vivo X300 features 6040 mAh battery with 90-watt charger given in the box, which is a good thing. At least some brands are still giving you this. Well, coming back to the point, a full day of office work, gaming, multitasking and calling managed to drain the battery to 20%. So before I left, I had to charge the battery again so that I can use it while traveling back to home and at night. The good part is that in just 10 minutes of charging, you get 27% battery, and to fully charge it, you only need to wait for less than an hour. So it's time for the conclusion. The Vivo X300 starts from 75,999 and this is a flagship phone that provides good display, excellent performance and a camera that can capture good pictures, especially good portrait. Overall, it's a solid premium phone. The only thing that could have been slightly better is the battery backup, but thanks to super fast charging, it doesn't feel like a big issue. Well, what do you think about this phone? Do let us know in the comment section and subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.